Hey guys, welcome to Pour the Love of Art. I just finished doing a ring pour and I have all this paint. I was originally thinking of leaving it to dry and use as skins later, but then I think I may have enough to do some coasters. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a shot. I have these 4x4 tiles from Home Depot and I'm just gonna go ahead and dip these. I may have to dip some of them a couple of times. Okay, I think I did this one first. Ooh, very pretty. And then I'm gonna just put some white on the edges. All right, so that one's done. I gotta find something to pop that bubble with. I'm out of fuel for my torch. Actually, I'm missing, there's a little bit of spot right here with paint. This paint is mixed with Floetrol, so it'll level out. But kind of fun to have a set of coasters come out of a painting that I just finished. And I'll set that there to dry. This one was only half dipped. So let me dip the other side. Very pretty. So let's do the sides. Actually, yeah. I love the blue. Blue is the color of paint that I am always running low on or wishing I had more of. Okay, I'll put, oh here, let me show you. It's really pretty. Good. And then set this here to dry. And let's see this one. Oh, that didn't pick up very much at all, but that's okay. We'll put it right here. And then let me pick up this one. Ooh. Like the way that looks. So let's do what do you think? Do I need more blue? I like the white. I like the white negative space. I'm gonna put some white along the sides. Okay, I like that. And this one, very pretty. Okay, let me get some white on the sides of this one, and then I will let these dry, and I'll seal them with a coat of resin. And I just totally put my hand in that other coaster. I'll have to pick it up and see if I did any damage. Okay, so that one's done. And then let me pick this one back up. Oh, it looks okay. Still looks good. Okay. So let me take my gloves off and show you guys a close-up. Here they are. Close-up. This one is my favorite, I think. And then there's this one. Well, maybe this one's my favorite. I don't know. And then there's this one. Oh, I think I missed the spot right there. I need to add some white paint. And then there's this one. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.